We are part of insane circumstances. Part of history, an era that will always be remembered. During these times, we are all in an emotional state. Dwelling in our minds, waiting for something better, hoping things will go back to normal. I don't think there's ever gonna be a normal anymore. The rules have changed. It's your decision to feel trapped or encaged. Break the habit. Stowing away in your thoughts is a scream, a lost call for your dream, an opportunity that needs to be taken or else forsaken. This is your chance to ignore everything around you and break the habit. Break the norm. Be the you want to be. Be the hero in your own story. Be the difference.